In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your Samsung default keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it. When you're ready, scroll to access voice input section available here. Now you can choose between Samsung voice input and Google voice typing. Don't worry, I will show you both. Let's start with Samsung. Click on it. Go back to your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If you never used it before, you will see two pop-ups. Select Allow while using and agree in both, and then start typing. When you're ready, click on the same but blue microphone to stop. Like that. If you want to use Google though, you need to apply it in the same settings. Go back to your keyboard and click on the same microphone but a black one at the bottom left corner as well. Then start typing, and when you finish, just pause or use this button with a microphone to start or stop. You can delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. You can manage some options thanks to this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!